So before Thrive, I worked as a para with emotional behavior disorder kiddos. I worked Monday through Friday. My kids were 10 and 13 when I started Thrive. And so I was at the busiest point of my kids, like their athletic schedules. So I was at the mercy of them. I also was doing jewelry parties at night. So it was really probably one of the busiest times in my life was right before Thrive. I really believe busy people get stuff done because I really worked my business in the nooks and crannies of my day, and how it shifted is, oh wow. We've been able to do vacations that we weren't able to do. I was able to provide things for my kids that I wasn't able to provide before, whether it be education and hobbies. And I know we had cut back on dance for my daughter, but we were able to let her do all the things that she wanted in dance, and making memories and developing with a community, which is so amazing. And you really can't explain that. You really have to experience that for yourself. But the products alone, too, completely changed my life.